Om Ishvaraya Namaha, Om Parimala Devi Potri. My incarnation as Parimala Devi removed the constraints of Kali Yuga. People may wonder about my research towards the single atom, but the reality results in connectivity. Humans are losing their originality in order to enjoy the illusionary world. I, the Mother of Universe, abolishes the illusion through the removal of the seventh screen called mercuric toxic acid. I have to reach my goal in a short span of time, so I am showing you all the short route to travel from the illusory world to Almighty. For the past few days, I have sprinkled the wisdomic knowledge about the single atom. Now I am going to be precise upon each matter related to the single atom. The fundamental energy to operate each single atom is Me acid. The magnoelectric acid plays a major role in the existence of humans. Unknowingly, acting as humans results in the accumulation of toxic acids. What is exactly Me acid? What does it contain? What are the uses and how to know about it? The magnoelectric acid is the fundamental energy required for all living organisms. Only the Supreme God, the planet Sun, is the producer of Me acid. We will discuss later about the production. Now I will let you know about the physics, chemistry and biological terms of Me acid. The magno acid contains a pure form of mercury. Even though it contains gold, silver and copper compounds, the maximum energy present in the magno acid is mercury. Only mercury particles have highest magnetic energy. Magno acid contains more mercury in the form of light. When the planet Sun effuses the minerals, it is in the form of matter. When it is surrounded by the electrical waves, the matter is converted into light. Mercuric particles cannot move faster in the atmosphere until it reaches the gravitational force of the planet Earth. In order to make the movement of matter, it has been converted into light by the electrical energy. The four metallic elements are in the form of matter, which has mass and density. When it comes out of the planet Sun, it has the highest magnetic energy rather than the metallic energy. The metallic energy is the light energy, which is the converted form of magnetic energy. When the magnetic energy of four metals is converted into light form, then the movement of magno acid occurs. How the conversion takes place? Due to the kinetic energy of the electrical waves, the magnetic energy is converted to light form. The mercury particles have more magnetic power. When it comes out of the inner part of the planet Sun, the outer heat energy are also merged or attracted by default. Only the heat molecules can convert the matter into light. Hydrogen acid plays a major role in the conversion of matter into light. When the magnetic energy of four metals merge with the electrical energy, there arises magno acid. Magnetic acid in the form of light contains countless atomic mass, which will be in turn converted into magnetic energy. The atomic mass being converted into light energy makes the movement of magnetic energy, thus forming the outer canal of the light bridge. Why should it happen? It is the natural process where the magnetic energy attracts the heat energy and creates the explosion to be converted into light form. The mixture of electric magnetic energies provides the gravitational force of the planet Sun. The matter is converted into light at the outer portion of the Sun. The light rays are surrounded by electrical waves. Our human body is made up of 4 major minerals in the form of 5 elements. The cells are produced by the soul particles. The main energy sources are the light rays of planet Sun. When the light enters the body in the form of matter, the recycle system is applied by the single atom. Human body cannot digest the light energy directly, so it has been converted into rock crystal form as fuel. Magno acid is a converted form of minerals. By melting the minerals, the light energy is formed. The electric rays pierce into the minerals to melt them into acid form. Magno acid are the light rays which immerse the planet Earth by the planet Sun. Magno acid contains 4 minerals in the initial stage, and when converted into light, it merges together to make same kind of energy. Thus, magno acid contains the raw calcium energy which is extracted from the minerals. The electrical energy merges with the magnetic energy and separates the common element from the 4 metals. Raw calcium is the common element present in all minerals. The calcium energy, which are the magnetic elements, are in liquid form. The electrical waves converts the solid or crystal form of raw calcium into acid. Sunlight brings the raw calcium in the form of acid. Can humans visualize the sunlight? Yes. Is it in the form of liquid? No. How come the magno acid be in the form of liquid? While the sunlight is not in the form of liquid, how to call it as acid? The solid crystal form of raw calcium cannot be evaporated directly to get the form of gas. Initially, raw calcium are converted into liquid calcium. When the sunlight percuts the Earth's gravitational force, it transforms into dynamic gas. The magno acid acts as a solid inside the planet Sun, liquid on the outside, and gaseous state near the Earth. Wisdomized human brain analyzes the different states of sunlight. Finally concludes that the magno acid can be in gaseous form too. Magno acid are in the form of gas while entering human light bridge. But again, slowly the transformation takes place. Before it reaches the human head, it is reversely twisted in the form of solid. The gaseous form of raw calcium turns into liquid calcium by the single atom and finally reaches the imprisoned soul atoms in the form of calcium crystals. How to believe this? How does it happen? It happens only by the hydrogen energy as electrical waves. Before knowing about the electric acids, be confirmative about magno acid. In a day-to-day life, the outer world experienced by a human molds the nature of life. Energy consumption varies distinctly. The behavior of a human differs each day, so the output also is inconsistent. In a short period of a day, 24 hours, a man accomplishes innumerable acts, exhibits his efficiency and inefficiency accordingly. The action of manipulating differs within oneself. Why? The truth behind is the fuel received in different form. The solid energy is converted into gas and again into solid. When the raw calcium energy is received in the form of gas, the single atom has to convert it into different energy form. The seventh screen, which is in the form of mercuric toxic acid, consumes more calcium energy, resulting in inadequacy. The volume of gas required to pressurize in order to convert it into liquid calcium are minimized by the overconsumption of single atom to remove the toxic acid. In Kali Yuga, humans could not feel the God or the natural energy due to lack of raw calcium in gaseous form. If you minimize your outputs or completely cease your activities, adequate calcium energy is retained by the single atom, which can be turned or tuned as solid calcium, the main source of food for the imprisoned soul particles. When the imprisoned soul particles receives abundant magno acid in the form of crystal calcium, then the realization of one's self occurs. God resides within in the form of magno acid, commonly known as light. Light is the form of God, and knowing God falls in the realization of light. Stay tuned to know more about Me acid and to liberate your soul and also to get wisdomic energy. Be aware of your outputs, minimize your activities, quieten your thoughts, and meditate upon your inner self. My blessings to all.